how to use promo code on Ticketmaster. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain how you can use promo codes on Ticketmaster. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser, go to the search bar and type in Ticketmaster promo code. On the result page, you will see different links that will direct you to the promo code. Now most of these are scams. To get Ticketmaster promo code, make sure you follow the official accounts on social media, or you can even get promo codes from daily claims. Go to Ticketmaster official website, and there also you will find different kind of event, concert or sports game that you will be interested in, which you can play to get the promo code. In Ticketmaster, select any of the ticket that you are interested in and type in the promo code in the given section. And that's how you will be able to redeem your promo code's offer. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.